Right, it's Saturday, the 30th of July, and I just wanted to bring you up to date because I haven't been doing a lot of posting in the last little while, and there has been some progress. Some of it in interior, and then some of it outside. So I'll finish this off with a time lapse of the work that's been done on finishing off the septic bed, which you can see out through the window there. I've got a time lapse of that, and as you can see, I've been doing some work in my office as well. It's still not complete, but I'm getting to the point where so I've got all the screens up, ready to go. All the computers are ready to go except for the Mac Mini that's sitting there. There's a weather station that I got for my birthday last week, and you can see that there's still some boxes that need to be unpacked and stuff put away in place, etc. But we also had some work done on things like hardware for the doors. So we now have handles for the doors. So you see it there and there. There are no handles yet for the pocket doors. We've got those ordered, and so those will be coming. But there's a handle on this one, or will be a handle on this one. So that's where you see the door there. There's a handle there. Handles here. Handles on the front closet as well, but we don't have the magnetic pieces that will be at the top, and those will be coming fairly shortly.
You look like a mother nature daughter.
And so now I'm going to go upstairs and show you some other progress that's occurred. So we had a visit yesterday from the HVAC contractor, and they're going to be doing some work, not next week, but it'll be the week after, because the mini splits, the air conditioning units that will be installed here and in our bedroom are arriving apparently Thursday of next week. As you can see, the fan now works. All of the lights in this bedroom work, so it's just the HVAC that we're waiting for. Again, the handle has been installed as well, and on Rachel's. Again, these two sliding doors do not have hardware, but we also had the shower finished. So now there's a box around the actual window itself, and it's had the tiles installed, and they're all grouted, and I had my first shower this morning in the new house. Glorious. We're still expecting a piece of glass that will fit here, and it'll spill over the edge so that we won't end up with what was happening this morning, in that I ended up with a little bit of water on the floor here in front of the shower, but there will not be a door, just that glass partition essentially that will stop the water from coming over. The shower was quite good. It has lots of pressure, and the temperature was nice, and I'm looking forward to being able to actually use the entire... Oh, okay. Rachel just placed that plant there. Didn't see that occurring. And we've got the towel rack installed as well. It's not turned on yet because the underfloor heating in the bathroom here has yet to be turned on as well. And apparently that's happening next week or something along those lines. We'll see. I think, oh yes, so the other thing that's happened is that we've had all of the windows, so including the window up there, have all been foamed so that they've been filled in. And there's our granddaughter walking by. So you can see that we'll end up with very, very nice, deep window ledges to put lots of plants. And Rachel's already put a Christ thorn or thorn of crowns on to this particular space. But all of the windows have been finished, except 4. So we've got 5 windows that are not installed yet. So the one above the sliding door over there. We've got 4 windows up top, and those are the celestial windows. The one on the right hand side, so the one with the green, and the one on the left hand side, the extreme left, will be opening, or we'll be able to open those. The other 2 in the middle we won't be able to open. And of course the sliding door that's there, and the sliding door in our bedroom will also have not also been installed yet. So there's just pieces of plywood in that space. But they're ready to go, and I hope that if we end up with good timing on next week, we'll have the windows installed. Apparently we've run out of thermal wall, so a few more modules or a few more of those panels have to be ordered or have been ordered, and hopefully we'll be able to actually finish the outside thermal wall next week as well, which means that we should be able to actually proceed fairly quickly to the exterior cladding, and the siding, the fascia and soffits have already started to go on, so it should be a pretty quick order as soon as the thermal wall is finished. And that, I think, will wrap it up. Again, I'll finish this video with a time lapse of the installation of the septic bed itself. And we'll talk to you again next week.